Hi, my name is Dr. Shane Arnold. I'm a certified provider here at Airrosti. And we want to tell you that we're excited about your upcoming visit. And we want to thank you for choosing Airrosti. We also want to tell you that we're committed to providing an exceptional experience for you. Now, the purpose of this video is to answer many of the questions that people often have when they come in for their first visit, and to walk you through what's going to happen so you know what to expect. So we have several goals for your first visit. Number one is we want to determine whether or not you're a candidate for our treatment by diagnosing your injury. Once we've done that, we're going to give you all the options for your care so that you can make an informed decision about what you want to do. If you determine that treatment isn't in your best interest, then the visit up to that point will be free of charge and will refund any money that has been charged before the visit started. We're confident, however, that if you are a candidate for our treatment, you're going to have an amazing experience because you're going to be educated about your injury and about how your body works, which is going to help prevent similar injuries from happening in the future. The second thing we want to do on your first visit is to start treatment. On every visit, we have a goal of increasing your range of motion, your strength, and your function, and to decrease your pain. We want to get you better as quickly as possible, but we also want to provide a really amazing patient experience. That's something that we really focus on, and this is why 99.7% of our patients say that they'll recommend Airrosti to their friends and family. Now let's talk about exactly what's going to happen during your treatment. We set aside adequate time to do the tests that are necessary to come up with a very accurate diagnosis. You're going to go through range of motion, orthopedic, and functional tests, which are going to tell us where your pain is, what the compensating factors have been, and where the problem is really coming from. By understanding this, we're going to be able to deliver a very specific treatment that will address the pain and dysfunction you're feeling, and it will address the cause of your injury. Our focus is on getting quick results, which is why we're going to track your progress. We want to make sure that the results you're getting are what we're used to seeing at Airrosti for an injury of this type. All of our providers go through the exact same training process. That way you can expect the same experience and results wherever you are across the country. Now, the reason that we get the results we do is because of our emphasis on finding all of the components of your injury and delivering a very specific treatment to the soft tissues. Now, when we're talking about soft tissues, what we're talking about are muscles, tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue throughout the body and around the joints. When we refer specifically to connective tissue, what we're talking about is the fascia. It's essentially the glue that binds everything together in your body, but it's also very important to help the body move the way it does. This tissue, this fascia, can be found around your muscles and in through your muscles. It makes up your tendons and your ligaments. It also surrounds your nerves, your bones, your blood supply, and it even helps to hold your organs in place. It can be found head to toe in your body. Now, when our bodies experience repetitive stress or trauma, this tissue is often injured, which causes abnormal movement patterns. The result of that is pain, numbness, weakness, and restricted range of motion. Now, if the cause of your symptoms is injuries to this connective tissue, our focus at Airrosti is fixing the connective tissue, which often results in improvement in pain, numbness, weakness, and range of motion. In fact, over the past 140,000 patient cases, almost 90% of our patients have had complete resolution in just 3.1 visits. Now, sometimes our new patients have some anxiety about the discomforts that can be felt during treatment. Rest assured, however, that our providers are very well trained to deliver a very safe and effective treatment. And then you're going to be given some instructions that will help to minimize any discomfort that you might feel after treatment. Now, the thing that I want to leave you with is that we truly are committed to providing an exceptional Airrosti experience. This is paramount to us. And by completing your treatment plan and participating in your active recovery program and the exercises you'll be given, there's a very high likelihood that you're going to have complete resolution of your injury. If throughout your care you have any questions pertaining to your treatment plan or anything about Airrosti, feel free to reach out to your provider or call the Airrosti Support Center. Thank you for watching this video, and we really look forward to seeing you soon.